Hey guys, today I'm teaching you whether learning the full Google developer stack is actually worth it in 2025 or just hype you can skip. Google for Developers offers a deep ecosystem of tools like Firebase or backend, Flutter for cross-platform apps, Google Cloud for scalable infrastructure, and Chrome Dev Tools for performance tuning, plus libraries, APIs, and training support across Android, AI, and web platforms. So, if you're serious about building modern, scalable apps in 2025 with fast deployment, strong documentation, and tight integration, diving into Google Stack can make you more efficient and job ready, even though learning it all can be steep at first compared to standalone stacks. The long-term payoff in productivity and hiring value is still one of the best in the dev world today. That's the full review. If you build with Google, build smart, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fast dev insights.